Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see where you've been on Google Maps. If you wondered how to retrace your steps, check a past trip or view where you've been on a particular date, Google Maps Timeline is your personal history tracker that logs your location only if location history is turned on. It's a powerful tool to reflect on past travels, monitor routines, or just verify where you've been. Let's look at how to access your location history easily. The first step, you're gonna do this on mobile. And to do that, whether on Android or iOS device, you're gonna open the Google Maps application. Now, if you haven't installed it yet, you can install it via Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. Now, after you install the Google Maps application, tap on Go and open it. Then tap on your profile picture and select your timeline. There, you'll see a calendar view of dates you've traveled. Tap a day to view places visited, time spent, and the travel route. Now, on the other hand, on desktop, you're gonna go to your web browser and then uh, uh, go to Google Maps timeline here. Click on it and then click on the first website here, google.com/maps/timeline, and here you're gonna see the timeline for your location. Now, as you can see here, the location history is turned off. If you want the location history turned on, you're gonna click on manage location history and follow the prompts to turn it on again. Choose here. Once you turn it on again, use the calendar to pick a date and you'll see all your movements and stops from that day. For example, I'm going to choose 2017 here. I'm going to choose this and this will display the timeline and the location in this exact date. We're going to see it here. As you can see, I can't see it because I don't have the location history turned on. Now, you're gonna have to enable location history if disabled by going to Google Activity Controls and turn on location history, and this ensures your future movements are saved. You can edit or delete entries if there are mistakes, and you can download your data via Google Takeout if you want an offline archive and use it to track fitness walks, trips, or commuting routines. Google Maps Timeline is an incredibly useful way to reflect on your travels, verify locations, or review past events. While it offers great insights, make sure you're comfortable with the data Google stores and adjust your privacy settings accordingly. With the right balance, Timeline becomes a powerful personal travel diary.